Katakanlah tentang Margaret kepada saya.
She used to play tennis, but she doesn't now.
She doesn't now, artinya, sekarang dia tidak lagi. Masih ingatkah saudara, bentuk itu dengan used to dipakai untuk masa lampau yang menunjukkan kebiasaan di masa lalu. Coba dengarkan satu contoh lagi.
I used to like westerns.
She used to like westerns, but she doesn't now.
Sekarang, coba saudara membuatnya. Ulangilah jawaban yang benar sesudah saudara mendengarnya.
I used to play tennis.
She used to play tennis, but she doesn't now.
Bagus. Kini satu latihan lagi. Margaret akan berkata,
I don't play tennis now, but I used to.
dan saudara hendaknya mengatakan,
She doesn't play tennis now, but she used to.
itulah bentuk singkat untuk kalimat,
She doesn't play tennis now, but she used to play tennis.
satu contoh lagi. Bert akan berkata,
I don't fish very often now.
dan saudara hendaknya mengatakan,
He doesn't fish very often now, but he used to.
ulangilah jawaban yang benar sesudah saudara mendengarnya. Siap?
I don't play tennis now.
She doesn't play tennis now, but she used to.
I don't make my own bread now.
She doesn't make her own bread now, but she used to.
I don't smoke now.
He doesn't smoke now, but he used to.
I don't like fishing now.
He doesn't like fishing now, but he used to.
Bagus, saudara-saudara.
Remember the days of the old schoolyard? We used to laugh a lot. Oh, don't you remember the days of the old schoolyard? When we had
Saudara pendengar, masih ingatkah saudara sebelumnya dalam siaran ini telah saya beritahu bahwa Margaret dan Bert akan bertemu dengan seorang kenalan dari masa lalu? Ya, tamu mereka adalah seorang laki-laki pribumi yang dulu biasa bekerja untuk ayah Margaret. Dia datang ke Sydney untuk mengunjungi anak laki-lakinya, dan dia mendapatkan alamat Margaret dan Bert dari orang di kotanya. Coba dengarkan Bert dan Margaret menyambutnya.
Well, come in, Bill. It's great to see you after so many years.
Yes, it is. It's nice of you to come and visit us, Bill.
I don't come to Sydney as often as I used to. I'm a bit too old now. And I didn't know till recently that you were living here, or I would have come before.
Well, how about a cup of tea?
Oh, thanks, Mrs. Scott.
Oh, call me Margaret. You used to call me Margaret when I was little.
That's right. Do you remember?
Of course I do. Hang on. I'll just go and make some tea.
Margaret used to talk about you a lot, Bill, and I remember you too. You used to live in the town when I was working at the post office.
Yes. I used to work for her father years ago, when she was a little kid.
What did you do when her father sold the farm?
I went to Queensland. I worked on a big cattle station there. But I returned to the town later. And then I worked on a...
Well, here's the tea. Do you take milk and sugar?
Thanks. Yes, I do.
It's funny. Margaret and I were talking about the old days, and here you are, Bill. Someone from the old days.
Ah, yes. They were good days, weren't they?
You lived with your parents in the town, didn't you? And then, I remember, you married and had kids of your own.
Yes, my parents lived in the town. But my grandparents, they used to live the old life. They didn't live in the town.
Bill sedang berbicara tentang masa dulu, ketika nenek dan kakeknya hidup dengan cara lama kaum pribumi, seperti cara hidup zaman dulu sebelum orang Eropa datang ke Australia. Pada masa itu, mereka hidup berpindah-pindah di daerah pedalaman untuk mencari makanan dengan berburu dan menangkap ikan. Mereka tidak membangun rumah, tetapi hanya membuat kemah kecil tempat berlindung, terbuat dari kulit dan cabang-cabang pohon. Dengarkanlah.
You mean your grandparents used to move around and hunt and so on?
Yes, I used to go with them sometimes.
Did you like it?
Oh, my word, it was great fun. But then, when I was bigger, I preferred to live in the town. I didn't like the old life then.
And what about your grandparents? Did they ever live in the town?
No, they didn't. My grandfather didn't like the modern life. He lived and died in the bush. A lot of his old friends gave up the old life and came to live in the town, but he didn't.
Are there many Aboriginal people who live the old life nowadays?
Not many. Not many hunt and fish and move around the country now. Most of them live in the cities and towns or work in the country.
What about your children, Bill? What do they do?
One of my sons works on a farm, just as I used to. I live with him, as a matter of fact. Then Dick, he's my youngest son. He's a teacher in Sydney. I'm staying with him at the moment.
And you had a daughter, didn't you?
That's right. She's up in Queensland. She married a stockman up there. I might go and see her one day. I've got some relatives up there. One of my cousins and his family.
Well, it's great to see you again, Bill, and remember the old days when we were all young.
Yes, the good old days, eh?
Yes, the good old days. Well, Bill, what about some more tea and cake?
Saudara pendengar, cukup sekian untuk hari ini. Jangan lupa membaca bagian kedua dari pelajaran hari ini dalam buku saudara, dan juga bagian pertama dari pelajaran 99 yang akan datang. Dan sekarang, goodbye listeners.